Deployment, operation, and maintenance of your application and platform in the cloud-native era giving you a headache? Meet Alibaba Cloud Compute Nest. Compute Nest is a turnkey platform that helps independent software vendors, ISVs, seamlessly build, manage, and deploy software with Alibaba Cloud resources and deliver a better experience to customers for the full service lifecycle. The Compute Nest would enable the ISVs to bring more value to customers by helping them to speed up the delivery efficiency, establish a secure connection for streamlined support and troubleshooting, provide trusted, auditable, and controllable product runbook, manage multiple services with just one portal. Not just that, with features like automated health monitoring, intelligent detection, and one-click troubleshooting, Compute Nest is the perfect answer to enterprise application needs. Apply to join the Alibaba Cloud Compute Nest service plan today.